This is Miss Sides. I just want to let you know how much I miss you. I miss each and every one of you, and I hope that we can still kind of learn like we did in the classroom. We have been working on addition and subtraction, but right now we are going to work on decomposing numbers. And what that means is how many ways can we make a number? So let's get started. So we've got the number 2. What is something that makes 2? 1 plus 1, right? That one's easy. Y'all got that one. So I'm going to use a blue and a purple marker to represent that. We kind of did this in our morning collections. So let's shade 1 blue and 1 purple. So now we need to create an addition sentence to make this make sense. So how many blue do I have? I have 1 blue. And then I have how many purple? 2 purple. Well, no. Do I have 2 purple? Miss Sides, you're feeling silly. I have 1 purple. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So let's try another one. I'm take my blue marker and I'm going to shade. Let's shade both of them. So how many do I have shaded blue? I have 2 shaded blue. That rhymes. 2 blue. How many do I have shaded purple? You see any purple? No. So we have 0 blue. Bear with me here. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. But also 1 plus 1 equals 2. There is one more way to make 2. So let me erase my board. And then now I've got to draw my circles again. How many circles am I drawing? 2. So this time we have done 2 plus 0. So let's do 0 blue and let's do 2 purple. So how many blue do I have? How many blue? 0 blue plus how many purple? 2. And that equals 0 plus 2 is 2. So now let's remember all the ways that we can make 2. We have got, what's the easiest one? 1 plus 1. You got it. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we've got 2 plus 0 equals 2. Then we've got 0 plus 2 equals 2. All the ways that you can make 2. It's a lot of ways to make 2. So now let's try the number 3. So let me erase it and put my 3 at the top. Let me get the marker. 3. So how many circles do I need to draw with 3? So I need to have 3 circles. I don't know if I can fit it right there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we're going to use our same 2 colors, blue and purple. So I'm going to use 1 blue. How many am I going to shade purple? this represents how many blue do we have? So that's 1. It represents 1 plus how many purple? 2 purple. And that equals 3. So let's do the opposite. Instead of 1 plus 2, let's try 2 plus 3. So I'm going to shade 2 plus 3. Sorry, that did not make sense. Besides just being silly again. So instead of 1 plus 2, we're going to do 2 plus 1. So I'm going to take my first color, which was blue. I'm going to shade 2 blues. And how many am I going to shade purple? 1. So this represents 2 plus 1. And that equals 3. So these are reversed. They're still the same sentence that equals 3. So there's a few more ways to make a 3. Let's try some more. Do you remember how many circles I have to draw? What number are we working with? 3. So this represents 3, and this is the other 3 on the other side. So I'm going to use my first color, and this time I'm going to shade all of them blue. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 blue. How many did I shade purple that time? 3. 1. 1 I shaded. I shaded 0 purple. So that's 3 plus 0 equals 3. So now let's do the opposite of that one. So I'm going to shade all 3 of them purple. So how many do I have that are blue? 0 blue plus how many purple? 3 purple. So 0 plus 3 is 3. All right, so let's review all the ways to make 3 now. Let's see if you remember, we have got 1 plus 2, and that equals 3. We've got 2 plus 1, and that also equals 3. Then we've got 3 plus 0 equals 3. And then 0 plus 3 equals 3. All of the ways to make 3. Okay, one more number and then we're done. So you got the hang of it a little bit. So let's see. Now we're going to move on. What number comes after 3? 4. We got 4 at the top. How many circles do I draw this time? 4. 2, 3, 4. I'll draw 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still going to use blue and purple. So, what do you know that makes 4? It's very easy. I'm thinking 2 plus something equals 4. If you said 2 plus 2, you got it right. So I'm going to use color 2 blue. Then how many I'm going to color purple? 2 purple. So I have, this represents 2 plus 2, and that equals 4. So now let's try another one. We've got, let's do 1. Let's color 1 blue. How many would we have to color purple? 1, 2, 3. So let's color 3 purple. So this sentence equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. Those are 2 ways you can make 4. 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 3. So there's 3 more ways to make 4. So let's try them out. Use my eraser here. So I've got to draw my 4 circles one more time. So we've done 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 3. What if I do 3 blue? How many would I have to color purple? 1. So this represents 3 plus 1 equals 4. So what happens if I shade all of them blue? Do you know the addition sentence that we would use? How many do we have blue? 4. How many do we have purple? 0. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. So that's pretty great. So we've got one more. One more. And it's going to look like this one. Instead of blue, we're going to have what color? Purple. So I'm going to shade 4. What color? Purple. So I have how many are blue? 0. How many are purple? 4. So 0 plus 4 equals 4. Now let's review all the ways to make 4. We have got our easiest one, 2 plus 2 equals 0. Then we have 1 plus 3 equals. Besides, what did you do? 2 plus 2 does not equal 0. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then 1 plus 3 equals 4. And then 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then 0 plus 4 equals 4. Then 4 plus 0 equals 4. You got it. All the numbers that make 2, 3, and 4. So in your packet, your first packet this week is in lesson 47. Miss East is going to teach you guys the reading portion. So it says lesson 47, and at the back, you are going to see composing 2 and 3. Then you're going to have a sheet of composing 4. So let's look at this. You get to do your own. You get to choose 2 colors that you have at home, or you can even use a pencil and shade really lightly on the first one and really dark on the second one. So right here, this is to make 2. Kind of helps you out. They kind of give you the answers on what to shade. So 1 and 1. So we've got 1 light and 1 dark. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the next one, so your first color, which was the light, you would shade none of them light. Then you would shade how many dark. You would have 2 dark. The next one is 2 and 0. So you would shade 2 light and 0 dark, or either your 2 colors you choose of your colors right here. So that's how that first page goes. On the back, you have to try to figure it out on your own. There's no help, but the first one they kind of help do it for you. So same thing, they've got the circles. One is shaded dark and one is shaded light. So that represents the number 2. You count the number of circles there are. So it's 2, and that's 1 and 1. So another way to make 2 is 2 and 0. So you would put 2 here and color 2 of one color, and then the other color you wouldn't use. So it would be 2 plus 0. So then the next one is the same thing, but it's composing 4. And they have 3 and 1. So they've got 3 light and 1 dark. So you can also reverse that. I don't think that one's on there. But the next one is 2 and 2. So you would shade 2 one color and 2 the next. Then on the back, it's just like the one before. Composing 4 and 5. So it's got a little bit of 5 in there. So it's got 4 circles, 2 are dark and 2 are light. So that represents 2 and 2. Do you think you can do this on your own now? If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Remind. Let me know how it goes. This is kind of my first video, so I was very nervous. If you need any help, please let me know. Thank you, guys.